Why is your bike making weird noises while you ride? You see, bikes don't make random noises. Every sound has a reason, and the longer you ignore it, the more expensive that reason becomes. Let me explain. But before you touch anything or start replacing parts, clean your bike, because dirt causes half the noises people complain about. So give it a proper wash, dry it, spin everything, and then listen again. Now, if your bike is clicking while pedaling, that's usually a stretched chain. If it's creaking when you stand up and pedal, that's often your bottom bracket or your pedals begging for grease. And if you're hearing a ticking sound every rotation, your spokes might be loose, or your brake rotor could be slightly bent. That grinding noise on climbs, that's your chain rubbing or your gears being out of alignment. And that high-pitched squeal when you brake, that's either dirty brake pads or glazed rotors screaming for help. So yeah, next time your bike starts talking, don't ignore it.